Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix missing map disconnecting in CS2. It's quite easy and fast fix, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing what you need to do here, you need to basically log into your Steam account, and then you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And then you need to completely close CS2. You can see here it's running just for tutorial purposes, but if you have this issue, you just need to completely close your game, and then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, then you need to be on the general and then scroll down until you see launch options here, and then you just need to write -sign max download file size MB and make it 300 or bigger. And after that, launch the game and then try to enter the server, and the issue should be solved. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.